Hello everyone, I am Nikita Sohane, Assistant Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. This video lecture is meant for the subject Pharmaceutical Engineering, which is a part of syllabus of RGPB B Pharma 3rd semester. The topic of this lecture is size reduction. What is the meaning of size reduction? Basically, a size reduction is a process in which the larger particles are converted into smaller ones. Or it can be said, size refer to a physical dimension of an object and reduction refers to the decrement or the process of decreasing of size. That means we are reducing or decreasing the size of a particular particle. Simple definition of size reduction. Size reduction is the operation carried out for reducing the size of bigger particles into a smaller one of desired size and shape with the help of external force. External force, that means we use different type of machineries like milling equipments which are used for the reduction of size of any particle. Comminution is another term which is used for size reduction. Definitions. As we studied, size reduction is the process of reducing larger solid unit or substance into a smaller unit mass, coarse particle or fine particle. We can obtain both the particles with the help of size reduction. It may be coarse, it may be fine. Basically, the type of powder is defined as their specification and dimension from which they are passing from the different type of sieves. There are number of sieves which are used in pharmaceutical industry. According to the sieves, we find that the type of powder is what? Coarse, moderate, fine, fine, very fine. As it is determined in table, the coarse powder is passed from the sieve number 10 and retained on sieve number 44. Same moderate fine powder is passed from 44 sieve number and retained on sieve number 85. That means it cannot be passed from the sieve number 85. Fine particle is passed from sieve number 85 but it will retained on sieve number 120. Very fine particle passed from sieve number 120 but it will retain in sieve number 350. Reduction. This is the simple process of reduction. Larger particles are converted into smaller particle, increase in lipid nanoparticle concentration. Process of size reduction. Size reduction may be achieved by two different methods. One is precipitation method, second is mechanical method. Precipitation method, solvent plus substance form a mixture and another solvent is added in it to form the precipitate and the resultant precipitate are reduced in their size. Example, calcium carbonate, yellow mercuric oxide and bulk drugs. Second one is mechanical process. For mechanical process, substance plus mechanical force, that means grinding equipments like ball mill, colloidal mill, etc. are used to reduce the size of that particular particle. Example, dry grinding in tablets and capsules, wet grinding in suspension, emulsion and ointments. These all are the mechanical process in which we reduce the size of any particle with the help of milling equipments. Objective of size reduction. The basic objective of size reduction is the material processing industry. Size reduction or combination is usually carried out in order to first is increase the surface area, because in most of the reactions solid particles are involved. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the surface area of that particles. Greater the surface area, greater the absorption will be, and it can be said that it is directly proportional to area of contact with the second phase. Break a material into very small particle in order to separate the valuable amongst the two constituent. We have to break this material into very small particle to obtain a two constituents. Achieve intimate mixing. As the particle size is same for all the material, the mixing will be appropriate. To dispose solid waste easily, we can reduce the size of the solid materials. To improve the handling characteristics, by reducing the size, we can improve the handling of various particles also. To mix solid particles more intimately. These all are the main objectives of size reduction. As we can see in this diagram, it is a general procedure for reducing the size of stones. Larger stones are reduced by cutting or crushing, and they will be converted into smaller ones. Advantages, application, significance of size reduction. First is content uniformity. If we reduce the size, our particles are of same size, then it will contain uniformity. They will maintain their uniformity. Next one is uniform flow. The flow of that particles are uniform when they are in a particular size. Effective extraction of drug. Drugs are extracted effectively as their size is reduced. That is because the more surface area with contact in liquid. Effective drying, smaller particle, effective drying shows. Improved physical stability. The physical stability is improved with the reduced size. Improved dissolution rate, improved rate of absorption. These all are the advantages of size reduction. Disadvantage may cause drug degradation, as sometimes the process we are using for the size reduction may degrade our drug, and sometimes it may cause contamination due to machineries. Thank you everyone.